Today I'm going to solve the question number 52, and this question was asked in GATE 2020 of 2 marks in set 2. So the question is, there is a frictionless piston cylinder arrangement, okay, and the atmospheric pressure is 100 kilopascal and the initial pressure in the cylinder is 105 kilopascal and the area of the piston is 300 centimeter square, and there is a spring which is spring constant k is equal to 12.5 newton per mm, and now added heat is added and the piston slowly moves from its initial position until it reaches the stop. Okay, this is stop. So we have to find the work interaction in this process. So this is a air filled, okay, and heat is added in this space. So in this question there will be two kinds of work interaction. First will be due to the piston movement, or you can say due to the piston displacement. Okay, when heat is added, then there will be some movement because of the heat addition. So this piston will move up and will keep on moving until it reaches the stop. Okay, so then there will be two kinds of work. First will be due to the piston displacement, and second one is due to the spring contraction. Okay, when this piston will move up, then there will be some contraction in this spring. Okay, then there will be some contraction in the length of this spring. Okay, and this distance is given as 8 centimeter. Okay, this is the distance in which the spring is contracting. Okay, so the work due to the piston displacement can be written as PdV. Okay, so solving this question, first I will draw the picture of piston. Okay, in which pressure will be shown. This is the piston, and this pressure is due to the atmosphere. So this is atmospheric pressure, and this is the P initial. Okay, this is the pressure of air on the piston, and this is the pressure of atmospheric pressure on this in this direction, in the downward direction. Okay, so one force will be due to the weight of the piston, which will be equal to mg. This is the force in the downward direction due to the weight of the piston, and this force will exert a pressure on the piston in the downward direction. Okay, so P atmospheric plus pressure due to the its weight will be equal to mg upon area. Okay, AP will be equal to P initial. So P initial will be equal to atmospheric pressure plus mg upon AP. Okay, and P initial is given as 105 kilo pascal. Okay, now we will calculate fast displacement work. So displacement displacement work, or this work is due to the piston movement, which is equal to p dv. This p is initial pressure. Okay, we can we can write it as p initial, and dv can be written as area of the piston into h1 minus h2. h1 minus h2 is the displacement in the uh, length of the cylinder. This is h1 and this is h2. Okay, this, or you can say this is the h1 minus h2 is the displacement of the piston. Okay, or p initial into area of piston h1 minus h2. From this figure, h1 will be equal to h1 will be equal to h1 will be equal to this distance 16 centimeter plus h2. So h2 plus 16 centimeter, and this is equal to h1 h1 minus h2 is equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, so this is our first work. So displacement work, displacement work will be equal to p initial. P initial is given as 105 kilopascal, 105 kilopascal, and it is in kilopascal, so converting it into pascal, so multiplying by 1000, this is p. And dv is ap into h1 minus h2. ap is area of piston is 300 centimeter square, so 300, and we will convert it into meter square, so this will be equal to 10 to the power 2 minus. Okay, and h1 minus h2, h1 minus h2 is 16 centimeter, or this will be equal to 16 centimeter, convert it into meter. Okay, so this will be equal to 105 into 1000 into 300 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 16 into 10 to the power minus 2. When we will calculate this, this whole value will be equal to 50504 joule. Okay, now work due to the spring contraction will be equal to, or work due to spring contraction will be equal to half kx square. K is the spring constant and x is the contraction in the length of the spring, which is given as 8 centimeter. This is x. Okay, so half k is given as 12.5 newton per mm. 12.5 newton per mm, and we will convert it into newton per meter. So this is in newton per meter, and x is 8 centimeter, 8 into 10 to the power minus 2 का whole square. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 12.5 into 1000 into 64 into 10 to the power minus 4, and this value will be equal to 440 joule. So work interaction work interaction in this process will be equal to displacement work displacement work and work due to the spring contraction. So these two work will be added, 504 plus 40, and this will be equal to 544 joule, and this is the our answer. Okay, if we talk of get answer, the answer of this question was given as 543 to 545, 543 to 545 joule. Okay, so our answer is a correct answer.